How to enable the GPS inside INAV configurator. So the GPS should be here and it's black, it's not blue. Okay, so first of all, come here to the ports tab. Okay, and I soldered the GPS to the RX4 and TX4, so it has to be at UART4. Okay, and at UART4, here at sensors, select GPS. So on the fourth one, at sensors. Now let's save it and reboot, and we have to enable it from the configurations page also. Now it's rebooting. Okay, and once it's back on the ports page, it remained selected, so it's there. Okay, so go to the configurations page and go down, and here is GPS, and enable it. GPS for navigation and telemetry. Save and reboot again, the lower right corner, and then it should be blue up here at the top. Let's wait. Yes, it's here, GPS, and we have some information here also. Latitude and longitude, we have some numbers plus the number of satellites. Okay, and GPS is shown here also on the left side, the same thing, latitude, longitude, and so on.